Welcome to Weather Center Live. We are continuing to track very active tropical season.
That's right. We have seen and continue to see what Hurricane Maria can do. And
take a look at Tropical Jose and where it's impacting the northeast. We're looking at this little break in clouds. You can see those green, red, kind of orange colors lifting a little bit further towards the northwest, and then you get a little bit of a break before another wave of rain. Some sprinkles more than likely, but more cloud cover pushes in over the next several hours. So we're still seeing Jose pretty much stationary. It's not really going that anywhere at this time, and you can see it doesn't even move that far away as we look into the forecast. This weekend, it only meanders. It just kind of makes like a balloon shape across the area. But what does that mean? It means that you can expect similar weather conditions that you've been seeing the past several days. It'll last for a little bit longer. So looking at the visible satellite imagery over the past several hours, we see it churning in, bringing in some clouds. Again, you are Boston getting a little bit of a break. You can kind of see that right in this area right here. You can see that area right there. So what does that mean? You get a break in the clouds and you get a break in the rain, but well offshore, you do have the rain and you do have those gusty winds, and that's really what is going to be continuing to impact Cape Cod and into Boston as we get through the next several hours. Look at gusts up to 43 miles per hour in Providence, Boston at 38, Montauk at 25 miles per hour, Hartford at 23. So it's a pretty breezy day out there, and especially since tomorrow is the first day of fall, that's something to consider when we start looking at these kind of things. Even though it is a tropical storm, Jose is keeping these fall-like conditions, bringing them in a little bit earlier than expected. So taking a look at the alerts, we still have tropical storm warnings from Provincetown, Chatham, Sandwich, Martha's Vineyard, as well as Nantucket. So pretty much all of Cape Cod and the islands are experiencing the tropical storm Jose. What does that mean? You get rain and you get wind all the way through this weekend. We're looking up to an inch in that bright green coloring, 1 to 2 inches, especially as you get closer towards Jose and closer towards the coastline. It's not really the time to go and check out the beaches. We still have high surf across the area as well. Nantucket, here's what you can expect. We're looking at Nantucket from 25 mile per hour wind gusts from now into Saturday. Today, that's when you can expect those stronger wind gusts. So sad seeing so many devastating images of how Hurricane Maria devastated Puerto Rico as well as St. Croix. Thank you so much for staying with us for Weather Center Live. I'm Liana Brackett.
And I'm Chris Warren. Hurricane Maria, a deadly storm, remains a major hurricane, a Category 3 storm, and it has been leaving a path of destruction in the Virgin. And Carl, this thing, this massive storm has just done so much damage, throwing stuff everywhere.
Yeah.
And it's scary to look at the fact that it's still a Category 3. What do you think this thing's going to do next?
Carl, and something that's very, very intriguing. It's the connection between both Irma as well as Maria. And as of just 2 weeks ago from today, Irma, this was the position, September 7th at 8 a.m. Eastern time. Doesn't it kind of look familiar? Let's go ahead and overlay Maria. Now, this is very fascinating because look at Maria today, almost that exact same spot. Now, it was the same spot just about an hour or so ago. Now it's shifted a little bit further towards the northwest, but it is so scary. I mean, this season has just been insane. We've had such a busy hurricane season already. When we see something like this, this is just very, very scary. The good news is, just like Carl showed us, things are going to be very different as far as the track for Maria. And in Dominica, word this afternoon, Maria killed 15 people. There's search and rescue operations underway now for many others still missing. In Puerto Rico, the entire island is without power. Let's go ahead and check in with Weather Channel's Paul Goodlow, who's been able to get around San Juan to show you some of the damage.